elected to the All-Star game, and that's what guys play for. They want to represent their team. Given the dominant pitching of the Phillies and of the Braves and of the Giants, you understand how important home field advantage could be to an American League team, and like it or not, this game determines that. Texas learned that lesson last season. Of course, Josh Hamilton's Rangers lose to the San Francisco Giants in the World Series. It has been an incredibly emotional roller coaster ride for Hamilton the week leading up to the All-Star game. Of course, the walk-off home run was preceded by the tragic death of Shannon Stone. The funeral was today, and there were several members of the Texas Rangers front office that were in attendance. The Rangers have made significant financial contributions to the family of Shannon Stone, and Ron Washington looks back on it and takes it as another lesson.
Hamilton, the Texas Rangers organization, has handled everything that we've had to go through this past week with a lot of class. And so Hamilton's fine. He's learned what balance is, and he's also learned how to separate. And those things come with being in the fire and gaining experience. And we certainly get to the point where he's becoming an elite athlete and also an elite person.
Ron Washington talking about the ability of John Hamilton to deal with so much adversity. Welcome back into the State Farm Home Run Derby. We had some very unique home run plots in the past. We had some this season. In fact, we had some during batting practice.